Yes, this is going to be so amazing. So in this live, I'm going to share with you how I release volatility 75 index. If you really love this, go on and stick with me at the end of this live so that you will understand exactly how I do this. Remember last time when I said the setup and when I give it out my insights how gold VIX will move exactly. You can see how it moved like the way how I anticipated, and those the signals was been given out in our free Telegram channel. It is totally new. We share everything there, so you can find it in the link there in the description below, and then you join it. It's for free, guys. I always give out the signals for free, so make sure you do that. And don't hesitate to leave a comment there below. If you have any question, you can put your comment there. So let us start. I'm going to delete everything so that we see how we can get opportunities. Let me delete the charts, everything which is there, and then we move on, guys. Yes. So first and foremost, what I always do, I go to the high time frame. You guys know the high time frame of this volatility of the Deriv. It is starting for daily time frame when we are using the trading view. So if you are not using the trading view, and then you can use if you want to go more deeper or more higher, you can use MT5, which will give you exactly the best higher time frames where we can get monthly and weekly, so that you can use that. No, so when I go in MT5, I use my time frame. I use weekly, I use daily, I use 12 minutes, and then directly to H1 and to minute 30 for execution. If I want to refine any entries, I go to minute 2. Those are the time frames what I filtered that now they're working very well with this VIX75. You can follow them. If you are making your analysis in using MT5, just put daily. Daily will be enough. Add the hour 12 and hour 1, then minute 30 and minute 2 for refined entries before the execution. Those are the only time frame that I use. Now here we are in trading view. We are going to start with the daily. We come to 1 hour and 30 minutes, and then we close the thing. So first and foremost, let us go to the daily and we see how the daily is doing, guys. So if we come here in the daily, you can see that the market it moved very well. So what we have to do to get the story, what is the story right now? What do we see here? We can see very well we have the impulse here. We had impulse, this one, which lead the market to go down. We come up and then we move also down. Let me do like this so the screen stop moving. And then we come down here, we come up, and you see that is the story. So if we can see very well at around this area that the market was moving, making this way is a low high here. Here we have a lower low, here we have a lower high, here we have a lower low, this which means it was a downtrend. And then we made here equal highs, and then we came back here to retest. Now we see that market moved as impulsing move and reached this area. So when it reached this area, we see there is certain an order block here. There is a block which is disturbing it, or what have we stopped this bullshit to go upward. So what I have to do here, I highlight out my what? I highlight out my order block daily. Just I mark it. After marking it, and then I see what market will come, making the story. I'm just reading it. It makes the story. Now we can see if I get here my triangular. I see this is all the order block. That is the daily order block, like that. So the market, it have touched inside that order block. Let me reduce the color. So to be looking good like that. That is the daily order block. So, and the market have tapped there. Because of this move from here, start here, which means this, there is a lot of sellers which lead the market to go down. That is what I see. And now the market it have come back here. So if it have come back here, I have to watch. If it breaks above, I will wait one thing, the market to break that order block and they come back, I will retest, I go up. If it will respect it, I will start selling it and then I bring back to another order block down here. So let me clean my drawings, guys, pay attention. So what am I expecting? If we sell, where we need to stop, it will stop exactly there. So that is what, if I'm selling, I will stop around this area here to this line. If the market breaks that order block which is tapped in and is going to respect, it will show me that I'm going to respect this order block. So which means that is my trading range. When to sell again, I will sell when the market comes back around this area. When the market move here and then comes back to this area, exactly like this, it's when I will do what? It's when I will sell. It's when I will start looking for the buys if the market comes back to that area. I get in the point. So if it does not come back at that, which means it will break, so I'm done in a daily. What I have to do now, to go to my another lower time frame so that I can see exactly what is there. Now my next time frame, it was supposed to be hour 12. Now here they don't give me hour 12. I'm going to go directly to hour 1. Now we are in H1. So in H1, if this market is going to respect this order block, it will show me. So I will come in my daily order block and I will find which move caused this order block to break in H1. I can see here around this area here. If I do like this, you can see from here to here, it is the move where I started from. So this is going to be my inside order block, which I'm going to highlight because it is the one break this diamond. So the momentum starts from here. I'm going to highlight this H1 order block. So I wait the market to come and tap this. This is the point of interest for me. I'm not going to execute, just I'm expecting the market when it will tap here. If it's going to start selling, it will show me that it is ready to sell. If it is not going to sell, I'm not going to sell it because it will continue going up. You see? So why I'm taking this? Because if I can try to see every order block here from this side all the way up like that, all of them, they have been filled, and the momentum to break this down here, it started from this order block. So which means this one will be the only order block. If it break it, it will come to this one, the most high one. So I will just keep watching. That is how I do it. So let me highlight our H1 order block by using like our line like this, a marker from the body like that, and then to the wick also like that. Done. Now I keep this H1 watching the price. If it taps inside, what does it happen? Now you can see. Do you see what happened? We are still in our daily time frame. It tapped inside and then it moves out. it moves, it goes up. But remember, all of this, it is still what? Still our area of interest. Still is my order block where I'm expecting that the market is going to sell. Now, if this order block is going to be respected, the market is going to show me these two things. One, it have to show me that it have tapped in that inside. After inside, it comes making the higher highs and the higher lows. As well, you can see the market came very well in H1, making the higher highs and the higher lows very well. So if it is not going to sell, it will not break the structure. But now, as well, I see right now it have what? It have break the structure. So if it have break the structure, that means that this market is ready to sell. What do? We are going to remove these lines now. We are going to remove these lines, and we mark this one where the market bounced from that, and we go back in the daily order block. This side left, we see where did it bounce from. Do you see? To the extremely high order block. Do you see that? So now it have tapped to the extremely high order block. All of these ones which was down around this area, they have taken them out, and then they tap to this extremely high where they started from, and you can go down. Why is this extremely high? If you go to H4, you can find that from here up to here it is a bearish engulfing candle. Or if you go to an hour 2, you will find here that it is a bearish engulfing candle, and you will find these candles which are here, they have what? Engulfed them. So if we can mark exactly the last buying candle here, it will be the what? Order block. That's why you can see the market came with big effort to this extremely last order block, and it have been respected very well. So that is what I see. Now market shows me that it's going to sell. So my bias now, it is selling. That is what I want. So now I can see that this structure here, it is H1 and it is broken, right? This, they have broke it. Now what do I need? I want to see where the momentum have started from. See that this structure got broke. If I can see, I see the massive move, the power, that there is millions of money which have been injected from this H1 from here, and the massive move, and then we break this. So which means this is going to be what? If I highlight this out here like this is going to be my demand area, a supply, not so? That is going to be the supply, that one. So what do I need? I need the market to come back here, tap there, and then we start selling. Where is going to be my TP? This area here. And I will not exit there, and then I will first wait to see how the market will react. If the market tries to not respect this, is going to go to extremely order block. So it is this one. Do you see? Like that. So those are the areas where to sell from. Also, I will need this price to move from where it is, or it continues down, but I want it comes back, whether here or whether here, and then I execute, and then I go down to that area. Yeah, that is what I'm expecting right now, and that is what I'm going to do. So guys, that is how I scalp it. So if I want to refine, and I will not enter in H1, I will go to minute 30. I will go to minute 30 like this, and I see how the price is behaving in minute 30. Now do you see? Do you see all what highlighted in minute 30? So what I will do, in minute 30, I will refine my order block. This is the last buying candle. This one we have a drop, base, drop. Now if the price comes, I'm going to execute from here in minute 30. There, to put there my pending order. Now where to put the stop loss? Because I'm expecting the price might move like this. It might move from here where it is, or it goes down, I don't care. But when it comes back, it can come here and go down, or it can come to this extremely order block and then we go down. So I'm going to put here my pending order, and the stop loss I'm going to put it all the way above. So if I have $100, I'm not going to use a big lot size. I'm going to use a small lot size, so that I know if I'm having $100 and I'm going to lose $5, I will just first calculate from here to here which lot size it will be able to be a loss of $5, and then from here to downside how much will be the profit, and then I calculate like that. So if I want to refine, I will wait this minute 30 to come and touch to two of these, and then I go to minute 2. I wait something like this. Let's say that this is M2. Let me do like this. So the minute 2. Let me also remove this because you guys, you have already seen them. You have already seen the direction now, guys. So let's go to M2. I'm going to bring the M2. Let me bring the minute 2 here. These are our entry order blocks where we are going to take entry from. So now this is M2. If I'm going to refine, I will wait this minute 2 to come. I'm going to wait this M2 to come and tap. Or might be here, or might be here, or might be there. For me, I don't care. So it will come like this: high, low, and then it taps inside. Now I will not execute because I'm refining now. I will wait minute 2 to break this low here, like that, and then I find the order block here, and then I mark it also. I wait, it enters, and then I execute, and we come. If minute 2 does not enter there and don't feel the order block which is here, I will just keep watching between this leg here and here. After the break of structure has happened, I know now this minute 30 order block I'm refining. I have not entered there and then in minute 30, but now I'm in minute 2 refining the order block of minute 30. What we will do after minute 2 entering and shows me now it's time this uptrend ends. Now the downtrend M2 have started. Say okay, now we keep my eyes on this leg after breaking. Now we watch minute 2 comes back to order block. If it does not tap to order block, I will watch every single candle of minute 2. Any candle which comes blue and then the weight starts printing, If they give me engulfing, I'll enter. If they don't give me engulfing or any rejections, that's what I do, guys. That's what I will do if I'm to refinery this. If I don't refine, I will just execute. I will just execute in minute 30, and then I also take this market down. So that is how I trade, and that is how I'm expecting the price to do what? To move, guys. So the stop loss, if I enter here also, I will, even though I have refined my stop loss, I will not put it there. I will not put my SL here. No, I will put it above here to be safe. Because if I put above this, and because this order block, we have got change of character, the market will not come back here. That's why if I'm ready to lose $5, I will calculate the entries which I'm going to use, or the lot size which I'm going to use if I enter. And if the market refuses what we have looked now and what have shown us now, try to continue going up, I will just lose $5. No matter how many entries I put, but the overall loss should be $5. That is my mindset. That's what I do. If I see, for instance, if I use 0.01 and I see, if I enter here and my account, I'm going to lose like $20, I will just leave the setup because it will be too much for me. I will wait another setup which will give me a little stop loss, not big. That's what I always do, guys. If you have any question, you can drop it there. You can drop it. And yes, guys, thanks so much for being with me. That's always what I do. Yes, I wish you the luck. Keep eye on this pair. We have analyzed, we have seen, now we are looking for the sell. It is biased. Now it's time to execute. We wait. Don't click buy right now. Just follow this structure which is here right now. Do you see? This is minute 2, and I showed you. You have seen everything. So this is beautiful. So you can wait to put the stop loss above the up. No matter how, if you want to execute, when you see the minute that comes inside of one of these two zones what we have drawn, just execute, but make sure the stop loss is above, and use money risk management. Are you getting it, guys? So yes, I'm so really duper excited. See you to the next live. If you are new, just go on and hit that subscribe button. You can share this live to their friends and family. Also, we learn together, we grow together, guys. Yeah, man. I wish you the best, guys. See you the next time. Much love.